Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where you can find the new chain for the mask body on Dress to Impress. So to find the chain necklace, it's actually this one here. If you put it on, as you can see, it's going to be this chain necklace and it's going to be different from the one that they have on display. And I just found out about this because I rarely style the mask body because I don't know, I just don't think I'm that good at it. You can color it to whatever color you want. Let's make it like a gold chain. How do I make it like sparkly, like metallic? I guess it's not very gold. But yeah, that is it. You can also use accessories adjustments on it. I guess you can make it matte so you can see the color a little bit better, but it's a little bit difficult to make it like an actual gold chain, if I'm being honest. But yeah, that is it. That is where you can find that necklace chain. You can also like scale it up if you really wanted to. Make it like super big. Like that. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!